Let go.
Would you look at this? Oh my goodness.
All right, this is it.
Não acredito, velho.
Whoa.
This is the one people have been waiting for.
Oh, that's cool.
Ist es doch.
I'm gonna fold the fold for the first time.
Damn.
Olha isso. What?
This is amazing.
What? You're folded.
This is so sick.
It's so satisfying.
I can't believe this is a phone. I've never seen anything like this before.
Gefällt mir. Nehme ich.
I think I'm in love. It's like a jewelry box.
This is so insane.
And now that's real. That's a thing. I think this thing has fully engaged the sci-fi Lou right now.
The amount of video games that will be played on this while I'm traveling, I mean, I can't, too many.
You do your work and it's like, I need more. Bam.
Take that out, let me just, boom!
Dann noch 3 Apps auf einem Screen. Das könnte ich den ganzen Tag machen.
That is 3 apps at once.
This is some futuristic stuff. I don't...
What will you guys think of next?
I literally can't wait to just blow people's minds with this phone.
Schau mal. There's a butterfly. It folds. I mean,
Just when you thought things were getting stagnant.
that's pretty weird.
Woo. It really feels like the future.
This is the future right here.
Oh, it's, boop! Fold it. I just folded, dude.
Let go.
Would you look at this? Oh my goodness.
All right, this is it.
Não acredito, velho.
Whoa.
This is the one people have been waiting for.